outside. No. What? Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anne and today we are doing a quick hair review / tutorial on this bomb unit that was sent to me by Hairsmarket.com. This is their 24-inch highlight deep wave middle part lace frontal wig. The hair was shipped to me via FedEx. It got here like literally within 2-3 days, so hopefully if you guys order, that will be a similar experience. The link to purchase this will be in the description bar below, by the way guys. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button before you go and subscribe to my channel for more affordable beauty and fashion style videos. So yeah, this unit that I am wearing is the color P427 and it's just a beautiful highlight, like a chocolate highlight type of wig. And guys, it's just bomb to me. Like, I had to put on my orange top so that, you know, I could give you guys that kind of neutral but like earthy vibe. That's what I'm getting. Tell me if you guys like this unit in the comments. I think this is probably one of my favorite units that I have received. I love the fact that it is a T part, and this simply means that, you know, some wigs will give you lace all around this area here. It's literally a middle part. That's how you would have to wear it. The only part that has lace is hair for parting purposes, and then you have hair all around the perimeter. No, because you're wearing it in a middle part, of course, you really don't even have to glue down all of it. And again, you'll see that in the installation. The packaging that this hair came in was so cute. It was like a pink Ziploc bag in another pink packaged box, and you get some little accessories with it, and you get like a hair bonnet, you get eyelashes, wig cap, and all that. Straight out of the package though, I realized that the hairline was not pre-plucked. I'm not sure if they have that in their description, but nonetheless, it wasn't pre-plucked. If you actually want to wear this up in a updo where you're going to be exposing the entire hairline, you are going to need to give her a little bit of a pluck job. But for me, I'm a middle part girl, so that wasn't really necessary. Installation. Let's just go on over into that quickly so you can see how I put this baby on my head.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, cause we couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing myself. I'll take yours and fill it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we would be best friends. Love would never end, it would just begin. If I had one wish,
so that was the installation. You can pick this hair up from Hairsmarket by clicking the link in the description bar below. They offer this unit in inches 14 all the way to 26 inches, and as stated before, I am wearing 24 and I am 4'11", so this is where it reaches me, like at boob level. It will be different for you depending on, you know, the length of your neck, your torso, and all of that. But girl, let me know, ladies. Dudes, I know y'all watching too, for whatever reason, you know, for yourself or for your girl. Let me know in the comment section if you are loving this. I would literally give this a 10 out of 10. I think my installation of lace fronts are getting better as well, because honey, I don't want to take this off. I think I'm just gonna tear it down and I'm gonna go to bed. That's how good it's looking to me. But yeah, loves, that's about it for today's quick video. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Until next time, it's your girl Anna, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
I'm feeling hot tonight. If I could be alone with you, this is what I would do.